Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the low halls rug, and I'm folding it in half to find the middle point. Now, something you're gonna see me do a lot in this is I actually use this kind of like jute material, almost like a grid system, because there's a lot of knots, so you're actually able to like measure in terms of knots instead of inches, and that's exactly what I did. So on the edge, far left edge, I went up 16 knots, and then I went ahead and I used the tape to go into the center section, and I just created this almost diagonal shape that creates a zigzag. It's a little bit more self-explanatory if you just do it yourself and figure out where you want those actual pieces to be. And then what I did after I created that middle sort of zigzag section was I then went in and created the areas that I was gonna tape off where there was gonna be no paint. And basically I taped over every 2 rows of knots, and then I left 1 row empty. So that way we had thin black strips, and I also went ahead and taped off all of the middle section. I could have probably cut a piece of paper to save some tape, but I got the roll of tape at the dollar store, so it wasn't too crazy for me at all. I just went ahead and taped everything off as shown here, and then I used a black spray paint to just go ahead and spray on here, and I did 2 passes on each line. And I also didn't really mind if some of the areas didn't get fully covered, because I feel like kind of a little bit of a distressed look is nice as well. So I let that dry for just a couple of hours, and then I came back and pulled off all the tape, which was so satisfying. And I just love revealing rug projects like this when I've done them in the past. This one turned out absolutely incredible, but I will let you enjoy me pulling off this tape, and that finishes off this really cute jute rug.